Hello everyone, welcome to RIIFO Academy. My name is Ruben. Today I'm going to introduce the RIIFO gas piping system. I will go about how to install these products correctly, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. Let's take a look at our gas system products. This is a RIIFO gas pipe, integrating the advantages of both plastic and metal pipes through a 5-layer design. The RIIFO gas piping system boasts enhanced performance in the prevention of gas leakage and fire. RIIFO gas pipes are prepared for different working environments with UV-resistant properties and anti-corrosion treatment to cope with a variety of environmental changes. Compared to commonly used brass tubing, a RIIFO gas pipe is easier to bend and is also very lightweight. This reduces the burden of installation, as well as the repetitive steps and the instability associated with soldering. In addition to pipes, there are also RIIFO high-quality fittings. Then let's look at the F5U profile press fitting. The F5U profile press fitting do not have a nut structure, but they do have a steel sleeve structure, which is designed to complete the press connection. The RIIFO piping system consists of multi-layered pipes, fittings, and brass valves. It is applicable to deliver natural gas and liquefied petroleum gas. The perfect solution for the conveying of gas for residential, commercial, and industrial use. Okay, that's all for this lesson. If you would like to learn more, please follow the RIIFO Academy channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.